financial relief taxes for victims. The lingayen bagoong jaycees Recto, busy with the coordination of the Operation Tulong with Alvin Bigay and Patrick. Hello. And our energetic, active president, Og Reyes. Lingayen Dagupan Cathedral, July 22, 1990. Goods received by the Church, Catholic Church, for the earthquake victims. From lingayen bagoong jaycees. Jaycees President Augustus Reyes, inspecting the relief goods. Your donations to the lingayen bagoong jaycees, headed by Augustus Reyes. Here at the Shalom Lingayen Pangasinan, where some of the Dagupan residents are staying. Dagupan evacuees. I think there are more than 35 families here. Lingayen bagoong jaycees here at Shalom Hall. Dagupan evacuees, victims of the earthquake. And with them is the president of the lingayen bagoong jaycees, Augustus Reyes, and past president Recto. July 22, 1990. Envelope containing cash donations from the lingayen bagoong jaycees. President Augustus Reyes handing the cash donation to Father Corrales on behalf of the lingayen on the Dagupan evacuees and other quake victims.